It's two questions which we can combine. It's similar ethos that what's happening now, this pandemic taking place, and due to this Ramadan getting affected and question mark on Hajj, are these signs of the hour and towards the end?
No such thing, ya Ikhwani. In Ramadan, yes, the masjid may be closed, but there are other places which are shaitan places that are closed as well. Cinema is closed, pubs are closed, all of this are closed as well. So it's not just the masjids are closed. So inshallah, I mean, Taraweeh, I would say it became more of a fashion and a habit more than it's a deen and a ibadah. I've noticed that. So the fast, the Ramadan is not just about Taraweeh, ya Ikhwani. More than that, you could do this ibadah at home. You could make in your house your own Taraweeh. No problem, inshallah. You make it in your house. It's not a Jumu'ah, this one. So you could pray in your house and all your raka'at of witr, okay, just like you pray them normally, okay, in the house. But the Ramadan is more than that, alhamdulillah. You got reading of the Quran. So if you're locked up, you got more time now. Just divorce WhatsApp. It is a very bad wife. Takes more than your real wife. Time-wise, wallahi.
Hajj question also. It was
Hajj, tfaddal. Hajj.
I mean, there's a question mark whether there'll be Hajj or not. What do we take from it? Signs of the Hajj. End. Yeah. The
Same thing, ya Ikhwana.
Hajj might not happen and people are worried.
There was in the time of the history, there was no Hajj. So that takes place as Allah's will. Umrah, I had a Umrah supposed to be in April coming very soon, but it's been cancelled now. Khalas. No Umrah. God knows there will be no Hajj as well. Allahu A'lam. But Hajj is very far. It's going to be in August. So we will see up to that time what's going to happen. You know, China have declared that there's no khalas. That the pandemic is finished. You know that.
They're saying no new infections internally happening.
That's it.
Few happened who came from outside. The travel needs to be banned, basically. Internal infection has gone. That's what they are saying.
No. What is the quarantine is working, basically. Quarantine is working.